183 and I'm from AS120-2I.
Hello, my name is Nurul Afiqah Binti Anwar from class AS120-2I.
Hi, my name is Nur Fatina Suha binti Faris and I'm from AS120-2I.
Today, I'll be presenting about differentiation. So, what is differentiation? Differentiation is the process of finding the derivative of a function which essentially describes the rate of changes of a function with respect to its input variable. In simple terms, it is finding the slope of the tangent line to a curve at a specific point. Next, there are four techniques of differentiation. Firstly, derivative of constants, linear, and power functions. For constant functions, if f of x equals a constant c, then the derivative of f with respect to x is 0. For a linear function, if f of x equals ax plus b, then f prime of x equals a. For a power function, if f of x equals x raised to the power of n, then the derivative is n times x to the power of n minus 1. Secondly, derivative of sums and differences. When we differentiate sum of two functions, we just differentiate each part. For a sum rule, the derivative with respect to x of f of x plus g of x equals the derivative of f of x plus the derivative of g of x. The same idea applies for difference rule. The derivative with respect to x of x minus g of x equals the derivative of f of x minus the derivative of g of x. Thirdly, product rule. If y equals u times v, then the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to u prime times v plus u times v prime. Lastly, equation rule. If y equals u divided by v, then the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to v times u prime minus u times v prime all divided by v squared.
For question A, first we need to rewrite the equation first. So we write y equal to 4x plus 10 the power of 2 bracket sin x plus 3. After that, we need to let u equal to sin x plus 3. After that, we need to expand the 10 the power of 2 inside the sin x plus 3 and then it will become y equal to 4x plus 10 the power of 2 bracket sin bracket x plus 3 bracket the power of 2. After that, we need to differentiate the 4x and it will become 4. And then we need to get rid of the power of 2 by moving it in front to the 10 and it will become 210. And then we need to change the 10 and sin based on the table that I provided. And then the latest equation will be dy over dx equal to 4 plus 210, the bracket of u since we let u, and then we times sec power of 2, the bracket u times cos bracket x plus 3. And then we need to move the value of u and then the final answer will be dy over dx equal 4 plus 210 bracket sin x plus 3 times sec the power of 2 bracket sin x plus 3 times cos bracket x plus 3. For question B, we need to write the equation first. So we write y equal to e the power of 2x minus 2x over 3x plus 1 and then we need to define the u and v first. So the u is e the power of 2x minus 2x and its derivative is 2e the power of 2x minus 2 and its v is 3x plus 1, its derivative is 3 and then we need to use it in quotient rules formula and then we need to put them into the formula and it will get dy over dx, 3x equal to the 3x plus 1 times 2e the power of 2x minus 2 minus e the power of 2x minus 2x times 3 over 3x plus 1 the power of 2. And then we need to expand them, and we will get 6x e the power of 2x minus 6x plus 2e the power of 2x minus 2 minus 3e the power of 2x minus 6x. And then we need to calculate it, and then we will get 6x e the power of 2x minus e the power of 2x minus 2 over 3x plus 1 the power of 2.
Okay, for the question 3, first we must differentiate each of the x, and for the first x is 2y per s. For this equation, we use quantity rule. The second step, we must list the u and v and u prime and v prime, and after that, we must put all the list into the equation, and we simplify the equation and get the answer. Okay, for the third equation, we use 5x 3 plus 2. For this equation, we use basic differentiated rules. For this, as usual, we list the u, v, and u prime and v prime. And after that, we simplify the equation and get 550x 2, and we combine all the answer from all differentiated x we get in the first equation we get. For the second differentiated x is 5e5x in per cos y. For this equation, we use product rule and chain rules. Secondly, we must list the u, v, and u prime and v prime. And then we put all the list of u, v, and u prime and v prime in the equation. After that, we must simplify the equation and using the chain rule and get the answer. After we combine all the equation we get, we must simplify the equation and get the answer that we want. For the first answer, we get 50x2 plus 2y per x2 negative 2 25e5x in cos y per 2x negative 5e5x tan y.
For question 4, we're going to use linear approximation to estimate the value of square root 4 18.99 minus 2 over square root 18.99 correct to 3 decimal places. So for the first step, we're going to find x, x naught, and delta x. X is equal to x naught plus delta x. This is a formula that we can use to get x, x naught, and delta x. So x equals to 80.99, which is the value of the decimal place that we get in the question. X naught is equal to 81, which is the nearest value of the decimal places given in the question. Lastly, delta x, we get it from x minus with x naught, then we get the value of delta x, which is negative 0.01. The second step, we're going to find fx. Fx equals to f in bracket x naught plus delta x. So fx equals to square root of 4x minus 2 over square root x. So how do we get this equation? By using this equation, substituting 80.99 with x. So differentiate this equation, it becomes fx equals to x power of 1 over 4 minus 2x power of negative 1 over 2. So we're going to put the value in the left side and move on with the third step, which is find f prime x and value of f prime x naught. So f prime x equals to 1 over 4x power of negative 3 over 4 plus x negative 3 over 2. So how do we get this equation? We differentiate the fx equation and it becomes the f prime x. So we're going to put the value of x naught into the equation. F prime x naught equals to 1 over 4 81 power negative 3 over 4 plus 81 power of negative 3 over 2. So f prime x naught equals to 31 over 2916. So we put the value that we get earlier and proceed with the fourth step, which is find df. df equals to f prime x naught delta x. So df equals to 31 over 2916 bracket negative 0.01. So df equals to 31 over 291600. So again, we're going to put the value in the left side and proceed with the last step, which is solve f in bracket x plus delta x equals to fx naught plus df. So f in bracket x plus delta x equals to fx naught plus df. So f in bracket 80.99 equals to, in bracket, square root of 481 minus 2 over square root 81 plus 31 over 291600. So to reduce careless mistake, we're going to solve it one by one. So f in bracket 80.99 equals to 3 minus 2 over 9 plus 31 over 291600. So the answer that we will get is 2.778.